Okay, today I'm going to go over solving equations by combining like terms. So on number one, the first thing we want to do is get our y's together. So I'm going to just regroup this in order so my y's are together. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. So negative y minus 4y would be negative 5y plus 10 equals 30. I'm solving for y, so I want to get this constant 10 over to the other side, so I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. And that leaves me negative 5y equals 20. And then you're going to divide by negative 5, so y would equal negative 4. Okay, number 2, I'm going to regroup this, so it's negative 16b plus 5b. So I'm going to regroup the b's together, and then I have minus 6 plus 10 equals 22. So grouping like terms together, negative 16 plus 5b is negative 11b, and then negative 6 plus 10 would be positive 4 equals 22. I'm solving for b, so now I want to get rid of the 4, so it's plus 4, so I'm going to do minus 4 to both sides. 22 minus 4 is 18. And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 11. And I'm just going to leave this as a fraction because it's not a whole number. So it's negative 18 elevenths. Now if you want to change it to a decimal, negative 18 divided by 11, you could say it's negative 1.63. Or negative 1 point, we'd have to round it, negative 1.63. Okay, number 3, I have variables on both sides this time, but I'm still going to group my x's that are on the same side together. So 4x plus 5x makes 9x minus 7 equals negative 8x plus 10. Sorry, I need to erase this. So I want to get my variables on the same side. So I'm going to take this negative 8x and add it over to the left side. So that'd be 17x minus 7 equals 10. And then I'm going to add the 7 over to this side. So it's 17x equals 17. Divide both sides by 17 and you get x equals 1. And then, let me clean this up. Whoops. Okay, the last example. I'm going to bring my x's to the front. So I have negative x minus 6x plus 16 equals 2x plus 12x minus 5. So I'm just rewriting this with my like terms next to each other. And then I'm going to combine like terms. So negative x minus 6x would be negative 7x plus 16 equals, and then these 2x plus 12x is 14x minus 5. This time I'm going to take the negative 7x and add it over to the right side. So that would leave me 16 equals 21x minus 5. I'm going to bring the minus 5 over to the left side by adding 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. So I have 21 equals 21x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 21. And I get x equals 1. And that is the solution. And that is how you solve equations by combining like terms.